I was calling from Watch Off the Cuff. This is a mid-June 2026 update. I didn't have one from the beginning of the month because I was waiting for a bunch of things to come in. And although I did have BERGEON equipment come in earlier, I wanted to wait until everything had come in, including a new shipment of HOROTEC. So I did send out an email for those on the mailing list. If you're interested in being on the mailing list, if you can go set up a customer profile at watchoffthecuff.com, you will get these updates. Yeah, all that stuff. Okay, so let's talk about BERGEON first. So I had sold out of the 7018 cleaning foam blocks, so they are back in sight, or in sight. I guess they were like on site in stock. Anyway, okay. So and then the ever popular 7825 BERGEON spring bar tweezers are back in stock as well. And then two different kinds of screwdrivers. The 6899 S10, which has the polymer bodies, and then the one with the straight steel bodies on a rotating base, the 31081-S09. So those are kind of the highlights on the BERGEON. There's a few other little things that came in or top-ups on stock, but for those that were waiting for those screwdrivers to come in, that's what, anyway, it's back. Okay, so over to HOROTEC. Although not specifically made by HOROTEC, they're the supplier that provides them for me. I now have Gentian wood for polishing back in stock. So that is there. Also, one of the big ones was I had sold out of the very popular 10-piece aluminum bodied screwdriver, which the part number for that is MSA 01.020-C. They are back in stock. Very popular, under $100 Canadian. Probably next in line is the steel version, the smaller version of the 12 in the 8-piece. I was getting low on stock. I think I was down to about one. So I have a bunch of those in stock as well. I got them right here. So there's the MSA 01.218-C, the 8-piece, the HOROTEC top of the line, steel bodied with ball bearing top and nice anodized aluminum color coating on the top. So that's also, those are probably the two sell the most of. And again, it's just personal preference. Both of them are like lifetime level quality screwdrivers. Anyway, the difference of this one is it's got the palm top and it glides nicely, but it just isn't ball bearing. Anyway, so, and then also I have the large scale professional 12-piece set from HOROTEC, which is the MSA 01.218-E, because I was out of stock for that for a short time too. So I've got that in. Also very popular is the HOROTEC Pulse and the HOROTEC Turbo. I still have some Pulse in stock, but I had run out of the Turbo, so I have this in stock. There is a video about how this works. Anyway, it allows you to kind of bypass the timing circuit, and if the hands on a quartz watch are a little bit gummed up, it forces them around and sometimes frees them up. So if you're doing a lot of battery changes, for example, chances are once a week or twice a week, this will get you out of a jam, because otherwise, you get that second hand, it's kind of jittering and it wants to go. It's a little bit stickier. It's been sitting in a drawer for a long time. Anyway, this can bail you out. So anyway, so I've got that back in stock as well. So we covered the screwdrivers, that. And although I'm not holding one because they're all like super wrapped up, I also, on the glass dishes, so those of you who are using solvents to do parts, the problem is, how do I get a glass dish that's shallow enough and wide enough to be able to get in there and do whatever? So I have a bunch of sizes from very small to quite large. The kind of medium size I was run out of, that's like the 100 millimeter, the 10 centimeter diameter one. So I have those back in stock as well. So anyway, as always, thanks very much. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you're looking for some free additional resources, please consider becoming a member of the channel. As always, thank you everyone so much for, supporting me the way I have. It's been fantastic. Anyway, and every week I get to meet new people and talk more about watches and fixing watches. So anyway, I'm thrilled about that. Anyway, until next time, thank you. Cheers.